Hello everyone, this is the part 3 presentation of the chapter verb. Today we will learn more about verbs. So let's start. What are linking verbs? Verbs that do not point to an action but join the subject and the subject complement in a sentence are known as linking verbs. Verbs such as forms of be, look, appear, grow, seem, sound, turn are used as linking verbs. For example, he is a monster. He is the subject, is the linking verb, a monster is the subject complement. The next example, he looks stunning. Here he is the subject, looks is the linking verb and stunning is the subject complement. So, is, looks connect the subject of the sentence to the subject complement. So here's the structure: subject plus linking verb plus subject complement. So here subject is the he, is a linking verb, a good singer is the subject complement. Remember, a complement is a noun phrase, an adjective phrase, a single noun or a single adjective. Common linking verbs are like be, become, look, smell, sound, taste, feel, seem, as we have already mentioned. Now, verbs such as grow, taste, smell, turn can also be used as transitive verbs. I tasted the food. Here I is the subject, tasted is the verb, the food, that is food, is the object. Now, so here tasted is the transitive verb which requires an object, that is the food. The next example, it tastes wonderful. It is the subject, taste is the verb and wonderful is the subject complement. In sentence 1, the verb tasted takes a direct object, that is the food, and therefore is a transitive verb. In sentence 2, the verb taste is used as a linking verb and the adjective wonderful is the subject complement as it refers to the subject eat. Now we will learn about causative verbs. Causative verbs are words that refer to the cause of an action. They refer to the causal relationship between the subject and the object in a sentence. Now here causal means when one causes the other to happen. Verbs such as allow, cause, enable, force, get, help, let, make, prompt indicate a causal relationship. For example, Tina let me ride her bicycle. Here let is the causative verb, me is the object, ride is the verb. The use of the verb let in sentence 1 means to allow someone to do something that is the action of the speaker. That means riding Tina's bicycle is the action of the speaker, is the effect or result of Tina's allowing the speaker to do so. So here the structure is like this: let plus someone, here someone is me plus verb. Second example, Jeet made me eat an entire cake. The use of the verb made in sentence 2 means forcing someone to do something, that is the action of eating an entire cake without the active wish of the speaker is the result of Jeet's persuasion. So the structure is like this: make plus someone plus verb. So you have to remember the structure of causative verbs. Now we will learn about forms of verbs. regular and irregular verbs. Verbs take different forms according to the tense that they express. Verbs usually take an ed or t ending in their past tense and past participle forms. For example, the verb act takes the suffix ed to denote the past and past participle form. Verbs with an ed or t suffix in their past and past participle form are called regular verbs. Verbs that have forms other than an ed or t suffix in their past and past participle form are called irregular or strong verbs. Now, for example, the verb catch and go become caught and went in their past tense forms. This means that these verbs do not take the usual ed or t ending in their past tense forms. Here are two lists of words for regular and irregular verbs in the three tense forms. Here is the list of regular verbs. The base form is always used for present tense. So here abide for present tense, for past tense it is abided, and for past participle it is also abided. Bargain for present tense, for past tense we write bargained, and for past participle we also write bargained. For present tense we write count, for past tense we write counted, and for past participle we also write counted. Now let us see for irregular verbs. So present tense we write built, for past tense it change into like the spelling changes, so it becomes like this B-U-I-L-T, built. In past participles also it is B-U-I-L-T. Now for present tense it is burst, past tense also burst, and past participle burst. Now for present tense draw, it becomes drew for past tense and drawn for past participle. Drive for present tense, drove for past tense, and driven for past participle. So this is the list of irregular verbs. Thank you students. We will be back in the next video.